So there is a way, hello guys, there is a way to create a free forever Databricks account. So let's just do it, create Databricks account for free and yeah, sign up. So what is Databricks free? It's a no-cost version of Databricks designed for students, educators, hobby and anyone interested in learning and experimenting with the data in the high trend. So what can you do? You can, for example, build some data warehouse. We can deploy AI system. You can use a SQL notebooks, hand-on experience with real sample data, for example. And yeah, so you can do next steps as well. But for now, let's just try it. Use my Google for simplicity. And yeah, personal use, get the free edition, which is free forever. And yeah, so it always shows some different countries. It seems last time it was Russia. So protecting account, okay. So you have to say how many number of rocks is there. Like, okay, so this is probably five, right? I hope I don't have to do multiple ones. Okay, the free edition. So Databricks in general is a very, very powerful tool. It's also kind of a competitor to Snowflake. But in general, Databricks, what is used for? It's used for a data lake warehouse, something like that. So because in the Databricks you can put any of data. So what is it used for? Maybe you have some nice image for that. So as you can see here, Databricks data platform high level architecture. So this is the lake data lake which I spoke about. So it's called the Delta Lake because it's very on those uh, big data uh, which use a delta file, and those data file make it more performant. And so for that reason we have a delta lake, and the lake means just you can have any data in there apart from I think mp, no video, I think, but you can have JSON files, you can have text file, you can have a CSV file, you can have anything text-based file. So yeah, you can put it in this platform in the Databricks, and then it will use some kind of Spark language to for big data. Yeah, it's kind of in the backend building on Spark. How does Apache Spark improve business in big data? So Spark is so powerful for big data, and there's a lot to learn about those kind of stuff. But this is not really point of this video. So oh yeah, we see here some kind of intro. We have our own URL even, so I assume we can log into this or we can access some data to this. And you see here on the left we have kind of a little bit of playgrounding for SQL data engineer and the data scientist who does some kind of machine learning. So yeah, in general, this is it. I hope you get a little bit of a Databricks free edition, like pleasure for trying, the motivation to do it yourself, and you should definitely try it. So it's very fun. So thank you, guys, and don't forget to contact me on my socials. It's very nice to get in touch. So thank you. Bye bye.